All right, let's continue with another money 3D game asset using Nomad Sculpt. So, um, let's see. Let's do something really simple. So we're gonna do the chain with little pearls. So let's get started. Take that off, and then we're literally just gonna do a Huey's here, right? And let's go to the top here. Make it a little smaller, like that. Validate, and then we're gonna duplicate. And duplicate. And duplicate. All right. And we're just gonna keep doing this. Make sure we're still on top of you. Duplicate one last time, and that should be good. All right. So then let's select all of these. Okay. And just do a simple merge for now. And then geometry, symmetry here, do local. Show line or show plane. All right. Let's see, we're gonna do front. All right. Okay, let's do X. Show plane. Oh, make sure it's local too, I think. No, that's right. Maybe it's All right, there it is to some extent. I think Gizmo added for the plane, so all right, let's switch things up. Let's go to top. And then let's select the world. All right, and move this right here, this way. And then we're gonna do from right to left. All right, and there we have our pearls. Sweet. All right, then we go to the top view and we select tube. Lathe or tube? Yeah, lathe. No. We're gonna go with tube. Okay. And then all we're gonna do is create curve over here. Close. Like that. That's it. And then we're gonna make this way smaller than it is. Move that like this. Okay. Try to put the lines in the middle like that. And you don't have to make it all symmetrical like I did, but I'm doing it just so you can show you. All right, and that's good. Now let's go to the right. And just press validate. We're gonna select Gizmo. I'm gonna bring it down like this. That's about evenly throughout. Let's take this off. And yeah, that's the X-line. All right, sweet. Now we have some pearls. So let's make the chain itself. Let's go, let's do, all the spheres, we want them painted, and they're like a glossy here. That's not bad. All right, and then that, we want that a nice gold. Okay, then change the settings. So you can see the gray and the gold. Back to madcap, that's fine. But yeah, no, that's it. Let's just go ahead and do voxel merge. And no, actually, let's keep them separate but together. So let's do a simple merge. That way we can separate them later on and move things around if we need to. Like, let's say if we go to Blender. So rename Pearl necklace. And then last thing, we just do our UV unwrap. And then we can easily send it off to anywhere we want. So with UV unwrap and our color, that means you'll probably get a UV unwrap image texture with the colors. So on Blender, I'll show you that later. But this is already, to an extent, a ready-made model so that you can use like in Unity and Unreal Engine if you like. You might just have to do some extra tweaks though. I haven't worked with Unreal Engine, but with Unity, I think it'll become like two separate objects, the texture and the object, the model itself, and then you just create a material, add the texture to that, and then attach the material to the object, and it'll work as intended. All right, sweet. All right, till next video.